Hi everyone! I have here Vespa 946 Dragon. As all you know, if you're a collector, the Vespa 946 it's like an art and a piece of furniture for display in your house. But here at PRS, we drove it, rain or shine. But before that, stock is boring. So, we modified it before we use. So, here is it. My Dragon. Okay, let's start with the rear. For the CVT case, I replaced it to JF Manuf. This is a custom color. This is how many pieces? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a 5-piece construction. So I match it with green, with silver, and the body is red. For me, it's contrast with the taillight, while the green matches my Dragon, and the vent, I choose the black color. This is the CVT cover. And also for the oil pan, I replace it to JF Manuf. The difference with this one is you can see there's a glass lever. You can see the oil inside. Perfect fit, bolt on. Also, we upgrade the rear brake using Brembo. Let's go to the front. On the front of this unit, of course, we replaced the swing arm to 101 factory. I also custom the color to green. And this is this is an option on the swing arm. It can be installed or not, but I want to have this one to make it more complete look, round. For me, it matches like the dragon eye, the eye of the dragon. And also, for the rotor disc, I'm using the 101 factory floating. This is the float. First, I'm getting the carbon ceramic rotor disc, but I believe 101 discontinued it. So this is the best right now to offer. And of course, Brembo, this is the Hype Pure. This is their latest Brembo brakes in the market. And brake holder, we are using the latest 101 factory. Of course, it won't complete if you want to change your suspension. We only use Öhlins on this unit. Next, for the rims, we're using the AM Studio. Very lightweight. And the hub. You see the hub? G Pro. This is the lightest hub, wheel hub in the market right now. For the badges right now, on the horn badge right now, I'm using the limited edition Marus But I'm waiting for the Venomene limited emblem, the green color for my dragon. Okay. For this side, we're using the fan cover. I'm custom also. This is all green. Custom cover. Fan by 101. Lipstick by Marus. And the exhaust Terminoni titanium exhaust. For the wheels on this one, we're using a different. I'm not using the stock or the standard. This is wider than the stock. The stock is only 120, 130. I'm using the 140. And the wheels also is wider compared to the stock. You can see from the back how wide. So this is a broken size. Here, from here. I believe this is the first big wheels installed on a 946. And of course, I'm a year of a dragon. I'm a 1976, so I personalized my plate number to 168. In Chinese is prosperity forever. And every details matters. Even the plate bolt, I uses the titanium 101 factory. We'll do a sound check on the Thermi exhaust. We'll do, yeah. This is newly installed, so the exhaust system needed to be break in. The asbestos inside. Okay. As of now, this is so far the modified available in the market. Next time, I'm just waiting for the brake lever to be replaced with the customized ones. Okay. If you love how we modified cars, motorcycle, or anything here, feel free to message me. Guys, stock is boring, so please subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. Stay dry always and safe. See you here. Bye!